Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
సో మనకి 2019లో ఇచ్చిన ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ వర్గ సమీకరణం నుండి ఫ్రమ్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ quadratic equations in 2019. So the first question is, which of the following is quadratic equations? క్రింది సమీకరణాల్లో ఏ సమీకరణము వర్గ సమీకరణం అవుతుంది చెప్పి అడిగాడు. ఓకే, సో ద క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ మీన్స్ an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and the degree of given equation is equal to 2. The highest degree is, the highest power is 2. పరిమాణము 2గా ఉండాలి. సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ x square minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube means a minus b whole cube means a cube minus b cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So x cube so means the highest power, the highest degree is equal to 3. So which is not a quadratic equation. And second option, x square minus 2x is equal to minus x into 3 minus x, minus x into 3 minus x. So minus x into 3x minus 3x, minus x into 3x minus 3x, minus into minus plus x square. So x square minus 2x, x square ke x square. So remaining, so minus 2x plus 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So the highest power of equation is 1. So it is also not a quadratic equation. So because a is equal to 0 means ax square plus bx plus a is equal to 0, but a not equal to 0. This equation a is equal to 0. So this is not a quadratic equation. The third option x minus 2 into x plus 1 means x square plus x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3, x into x, x square, x into 3 plus 3x. So minus 1 into x minus into plus 3 minus 3. So x square and remaining minus x minus 2. So 2x minus 3. This is also the highest power is equal to 1. It is not a quadratic equation. Remaining fourth option is none. The correct option is none. So because above all equations are, first equation is highest power 2 and second equation linear equation and third equation also linear equation. The correct option is ఏది కాదు. మనకి కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఏది కాదు అవుతుందండి. The second question in 2019 from quadratic equations. Sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers is 340. The numbers are first option is 10, 12, second option is 12, 16, third option is 14, 16 and fourth option is 12, 14. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even numbers. Even number means so సరి సంఖ్య అనగా the number is completely divisible by 2. The number is called the even number. So let x is a even number. The other even number is x plus 2. So because 2 is a even number, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. The both are consecutive even numbers 2, 4. The consecutive even numbers means one number is x, the other number is x plus 2. Sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive numbers means x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 340 is equal to 340. So x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 340 and x square 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 340 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 4x minus 336 is equal to 0. So because minus 340 plus 4 is equal to minus 336. So common 2, x square plus 2x minus 1. So 6, 8, 168 is equal to 0. 168 is equal to 0. The factorization of x square plus 2x minus 180 is equal to 0. The multiplication two numbers is equal to 168 and the sum of the two numbers is equal to 2x. So consider two numbers 12 comma 16 not a consecutive even number, so remaining 10 comma 12. So 10 into 12 equal to 120. So that is not a correct answer. And 14 into 12 into 14, 14 jar 196. So it is not a correct answer. Remaining 12 into 14, 4 2 jar 8 and 4 1 jar 4, 1 2 jar 2, 1 1 jar 1, 8 6 1, 168. So minus 12 into plus 14 is equal to minus 168. The x square minus 12x plus 14x minus 168 is equal to 0. So x, count this remaining x minus 12 plus common 14, x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 comma x is equal to 12 comma x is equal to minus 14. The correct answer is 12 comma 14. The correct answer is 12 comma 14. So this is the correct answer of sum of the squares of two consecutive even positive integers is 340. The numbers are 12 comma 14. And the third question in 2019 from quadratic equations are direct question. The roots of quadratic equations are irrational then discriminant means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, and distinct is perfect squares. Discriminant perfect squares and discriminant is not perfect square. So both are wrong answer. So remaining discriminant greater than 0 means have a two roots. Two roots are real roots. Otherwise discriminant less than 0 means negative values and no roots. So irrational. So both are irrational. The correct answer is 2. Discriminant less than 0. ఇవి మనకి 2019లో ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. ఒకసారి మీరు చూస్తే if 2 roots of x cube minus 3x square minus 2 is equal to 0 are equal. So the third root is, first option is 2, second option is 1, third option is 1 by 2, fourth option is minus 2. So suppose substituting 2 in above equation. So 2 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది 8 minus 3 into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So 2 is the one of the roots. And check another. So actually మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 అనేది రూట్ అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి సో అదర్ రూట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని 2 ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్టు 0 అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 2. సో అదర్వైజ్ డౌట్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఈ మూడు కూడా మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుని ఒకసారి సరి చూస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ 2018, ఇఫ్ x is equal to is one solution of kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of k, so x is equal to 2 is a solution of kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means k యొక్క వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే x యొక్క వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ 0 అయిపోతుంది. సో x is equal to is a solution. So substituting in x is equal to in kx square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 means k into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 4k, 2 square means 4, 4k plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. 4k plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Option lo minus 1 by 4 unandi. First option minus 1 by 4. The correct option is minus 1 by 4. So the third question in 2018 is, if y is equal to 1 is a common root of the equations ay square plus ay plus 3 is equal to 0 and y square plus y plus b is equal to 0. So first equation ay square means a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. And second equation 1 square plus 1 plus b is equal to 0. So a plus a is equal to minus 3, 2a is equal to minus 3, a is equal to minus 3 by 2. So because a plus a is equal to a, and so 2 is multiplying with a and equal to, out of the equal is minus 3 by 2. And 1 plus 1, 2 plus b is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 2. So the product of the AB is equal to, minus 3 by 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 3. The correct option is 3. Okay. Previous questions of Polyset 2017 from quadratic equations are first question, second question, third question, fourth question. The first question is, if sum of the squares of the roots of x square plus px minus 3 is equal to 0 is 10. So means let compare ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to p, c is equal to minus 3. The sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to, minus b by a. The product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to, c by a. So c by a is equal to, b by a is equal to minus p by 1 is equal to minus p. And c by a is equal to minus 3 by 1 is equal to minus 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus p, and alpha into beta is equal to minus 3. And if sum of the squares of the roots of x square plus px minus 3 is equal to 0. So means, okay, alpha square plus beta square is equal to, sum of the squares of the roots of x square minus plus px minus 3 is equal to 0 is 10, is equal to 10. So we know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 10. So because alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 10. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus p. So minus p square means p square minus 2 into alpha into beta is equal to minus 3. 2 into minus 3 is equal to 10. So that is equal to p square, so minus 3 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Plus 6 is equal to 10. So p is equal to 4. P square is equal to 4. P is equal to plus or minus 2. So the correct option is 1. The second question in 2017 from quadratic equations. Go to second question. మనకి వర్గ సమీకరణాల నుండి 2017లో అడిగిన రెండవ ప్రశ్నను ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. If one root of x square minus 8x plus 13 is equal to 0 is 4 plus root 3, then ద అదర్ రూట్ ఈజ్. సో దీనికి మనం ఐస్ రెండు కూడా మూసుకొని చెప్పొచ్చు. 4 + √3 1 రూట్ అయిందంటే సో అదర్ రూట్ ఈజ్ 4 - √3. అదర్ రూట్ ఈజ్ 4 - √3. ఓకేనా? ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ 4 - √3. సో కౌంట్ మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోండి. x² - 8x + 13 = 0. సో కంపేర్ ax² + bx + c = 0, a = 1, b = -8 and c = 30. Substituting a, b, c in x = -b plus or minus square root of b² - 4ac by 2a. Okay na? So to get x = 4 plus or minus √3. 4 plus or minus √3. One root is 4 plus √3. The other root is 4 minus √3. And third question. If a and b are the roots of quadratic equation x² - px plus q = 0.
Thank you
A
for
and b are
watching this
roots of
video.
the quadratic
Please
equation
subscribe
x
this
x
channel
square
and
minus
click
px
on bell
plus q
icon
= 0.
to get the notifications
So a
for
comma b are
the
roots.
upcoming classes.
Compare
And share this.
a = ax² plus bx plus c = 0. Compare a = 1 and b = -c and c = q. The sum of the let ఇక్కడ a కామా b ఇవి కూడా a కామా b తో కంపేర్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా అనుకుందాం. ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది రూట్స్ a plus b యాక్చువల్గా, బట్ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -b by a means -p by a means 1 is equal to p. And product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a means q by 1 is equal to q. q by 1 is equal to q. So a by b plus b by a means alpha plus alpha by beta, beta by alpha. So because roots are a comma b, let a comma b is equal to alpha comma beta. So because compare ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ax² plus bx plus c is equal to 0 తో కంపేర్ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ a కామా b ఏవైతే రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ రెండు రూట్స్ ని మూలాలని ఆల్ఫా బీటా అనుకుందాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎల్సిఎం ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ బీటా. సో ఆల్ఫా ఇంటూ ఆల్ఫా ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా ఇంటూ బీటా బీటా స్క్వేర్. We know that alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 into alpha beta by alpha beta. So now that alpha plus beta is equal to p square minus 2 into alpha beta means 2 into q by q. 2 into q by q.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
So
And
other
share this.
question in 2017 from quadratic equation. The fourth question is the roots of the quadratic equation 2x² minus 2 into √2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So by using factorization method, given equation 2x² minus 2 √2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Split minus 2 √2. 2x² minus √2 x minus √2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus √2x minus √2x is equal to minus 2 √2x. So common root x. So root x √2. 2 root x √2x. So √2x remaining √2x because 2 is equal to √2 whole square. 2 is equal to √2 whole square. So √2 కామన్ తీస్తే √2x కామన్ తీస్తే √2x ఉంటుంది -1. సో -1 కామన్ తీస్తే √2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So √2x minus 1 into remaining √2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So √2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 by √2, comma x is equal to 1 by √2. The correct option is x is equal to 1 by √2, comma 1 by √2. Third option is the correct option. Okay, 2016 లో అడిగిన ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే First question, the roots of 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30 are అని చెప్పి 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే ఆప్షన్స్ కాకుండా ఈక్వేషన్స్ చూసుకుంటే సో ఎల్సిఎం ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 7 అవుతుంది. ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 7 సో మైనస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 4 బై ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So implies 30 into so x minus x cancel with the remaining minus 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 11 is equal to 30 into so remaining x into x square minus x into minus 7
Thank
minus
you for
7x.
watching this video.
So
Please
4 into
subscribe
x
this
plus
channel
4x
and click on bell icon to get the
4 into minus
notifications
7
for
minus
the
28
upcoming classes.
minus 28.
And share this.
So into 11. So 11 ki cancel with the remaining minus 30 is equal to x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x minus 28. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So factorization find out just x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 minus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 comma x is equal to. The correct option is second option is the right option. So because x minus 1 comma this x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. And second question in 2016 from quadratic equations is if alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. We know that alpha plus alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta is equal to c by a into alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a into minus b by a. So minus b cube by a cube minus a into a square minus into minus plus 3bc by a square. The LCM of a cube and a square is a cube. So minus b cube plus 3abc by a cube. So 3abc minus b cube by a cube. The correct option is 3abc minus b cube by a cube. First option is the correct option. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this